Now, a few weeks ago, I made a video regarding multiple income streams and the importance of having multiple income streams coming in for you every single month. And on that video, I explained how my students, when they sign up with me in my course, they actually get multiple ways of making money right off the start. One of them being the wholesale course and learning how to build a wholesale business and making money that way. And then the other way of making money with the course is affiliate marketing that course. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, everyone is always trying to find the newest and the best way to promote their products. In this video, I'm going to tell you the best and easiest way to affiliate market products in 2019 and going into 2020. What's going on, everybody? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, check down the description for all the different resources that are going to help you make some money. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to stay until the end of the video because I am going to go over how you could potentially join the Underground affiliate family, even if you haven't joined the course. So I'm going to go over all of those details at the very end. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing my course, then you're going to want to stay until the end to learn all about it. Okay, so even today, at the end of 2019 and going into 2020, affiliate marketing grows in popularity day by day. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, in a nutshell, it's just you're promoting other people's products. Okay, so you're pretty much just referring people to a certain product that they're already looking for and giving something about that product or just presenting that product in front of the person that's looking for it, and then you receive a commission. Okay, so at the end of the day, it's just referrals, just promoting products. And hands down, the best way to do this, even today, is still YouTube. Now, I know a bunch of you guys are probably rolling your eyes because you think you know this already, but I'm gonna go over the differences between promoting and reviewing a course opposed to products like ClickBank or Builderall or ClickFunnels or stuff like that, because there is a huge difference. And if you guys are gonna do it, then you guys need to know that difference. All right, so promoting other people's courses or affiliate marketing for people's courses is a great way to create another income stream for yourself. And if you do it on YouTube, I think it's a very easy and simple way to do it. All you need is a camera, some editing equipment, and that's it. And you can find this stuff pretty cheap. You don't need a fancy camera. You can literally do it on your phone. And you don't need some intense like editing software. You can do it with Adobe Premiere. And I think there's other free editing softwares online. If you just type in like editing software for free on Google, you can find some. Now, the reason that promoting courses is different than promoting, affiliate products like ClickBank or Builderall or ClickFunnels is because there's so many people already promoting these things, right? ClickBank, Builderall, ClickFunnels, just for example, there's a ton of people already promoting that on YouTube. So people go on YouTube and they look for affiliate marketing and they're going to find an affiliate marketer. Now, the majority of those affiliate marketers are promoting things off of ClickBank, or they're promoting ClickFunnels affiliate program, or they're promoting Builderall affiliate program, just to name a few. There are so many more that people who are affiliate marketers on YouTube are promoting, right? So that space is very full of people promoting that same product. There's a ton of people promoting those exact same products, opposed to promoting a course. When you promote a course or you review a course and you give your honest opinions about that course and that instructor, you're targeting a completely different audience, in my opinion, because here you're targeting people that want to be affiliate marketers, right? They want to be affiliate marketers and they're going to go after products that, let's be real, thousands and thousands of people are already promoting that. And over here, you're just reviewing, right? You're reviewing a product, you're reviewing a course. This way is a lot more powerful than just trying to promote these products that are all over the internet. And in this particular case, we're going to go over promoting courses, right? Like I said, promoting courses is a great way to build a side income, because when somebody sees that somebody has a course, the first thing that they want to do is hear from people that are already in that course, or they hear from people that have experience, with that instructor or what have you. And then on top of that, once they start seeing ads for that specific course, then they're going to go onto YouTube, right? They're familiar with that instructor, they're familiar with that channel, and they want to know if this product is legit. They want to know if the mentorship that is being offered is legit. They want to know if the information is legit, right? So they're going to go to YouTube and find out if there's any reviews from any real people. Now, this is where you separate yourself from everybody else, because if you give a real honest review of not only the course or the product, but the instructor as well, and there's not a lot of other reviews already online, you position yourself in a very powerful way because you're the only one that has that information out and readily available. So let's take my course, for example. There are 0 reviews on YouTube about my course, yet people message me all the time interested about the course. They see my ads. So whoever takes the time to crank out a video and put it up an honest review of the course and my mentorship, if they have experience with it, is going to benefit greatly. And this can go for any course. This can go for my course. This can go for a private label course. This can go for affiliate marketing course. Any course out there that has a decent affiliate program, you can do this for, especially if there's a limited amount of reviews on there. You're going to be the one, you're going to be the authority there for people to come and get some advice regarding that course. Just make sure if you're going to affiliate market a product or a course, then just make sure it has a decent affiliate program. My affiliate program is pretty generous, to say the least, because I want my students and the people that are promoting my products to make the most money possible, because they believe in me, they believe in the course, and they truly enjoy the mentorship and working with me. So that's the biggest difference. Don't go where everyone else is already there. I mean, that ocean is red, right? That ocean is full of competition. Go where there's the blue ocean, where there's not as much competition, and there's a very easy way for you to position yourself as a trustworthy person who's, reviewing a product, because it's a win-win for everybody. You're reviewing a product that people want to know about, and you're giving your honest opinion about that product and that instructor. And the people that find that very helpful and they find that very genuine are going to purchase using your link, and then that's where you're going to be getting the commissions. There's nothing shady about it. You're giving your honest opinions about something, and if that helps somebody make that decision on whether they want to purchase or don't want to purchase, that's super valuable for people. So don't be scared to put a review out there. Don't be scared to put your opinions out there in regards to a product or in regards to a course, if it's just honest, guys, because people are going to find it very, very helpful. All right, guys, so if you guys made it to the end, I'm assuming you're interested in becoming an underground affiliate of mine, even though you're not in the course or you haven't purchased the course yet. Now, after I made that first video, a ton of people were messaging me asking to be affiliates for my course, but some of them didn't purchase, right? A lot of them didn't purchase, actually, because the people that are already in the course, they already know about the affiliate program. They've known about the affiliate program. Now, if you guys do want to become an underground affiliate for my course, then you will not have access to the course, but you can message me and I can set you up with an affiliate link if you have a game plan. Now, I'm not going to just let anybody do it. I'm not going to just let anyone get an affiliate link and then go and start promoting it. It's only going to be a select few, the select few that have experience or they have a game plan going forward. If you just tell me, oh, I'm just going to get the affiliate link and I'm going to promote it in all these Facebook groups, then I'm not going to give you an affiliate link, because I don't want my course being spammed everywhere. I want people that are going to take the time to do an honest review or to promote it in an honest way because they believe in the course or they believe in me as an instructor, because you guys know how I teach. If you guys are watching me, you guys know how I teach. This is how I teach in the course. Very simple, very straightforward, no fluff, straight to the point, and giving you information that you can take action on. So if you guys want to become an underground affiliate, make sure to email me at this email right here and tell me your game plan. Tell me that you want to become an affiliate. If you have experience with affiliate marketing, then let me know as well, and then I will set you up. If you guys come to me and you guys have no game plan, then I will not accept you guys to join the underground affiliates. With that being said, I'm only going to take on about 5 affiliates that are not in the course, okay? Because again, if you're not in the course, you're not going to have access to what's inside. But a lot of you still want to be an affiliate. So for those of you that want to do that, you can reach out to me in this email and tell me your kind of game plan, your strategy, your roadmap to how you're going to promote, in which way, on which platforms, and a kind of a time frame. You need to have a structure. You need to have a game plan. If you don't, you will not be accepted. And like I said, I'm only accepting 5 people that are not enrolled in the course. If you're enrolled in the course, then don't worry. You have access to everything. All right, guys, so that's the video for today. The easiest way to affiliate market it is still on YouTube. The fastest and simplest way to do it, because you only have to do it once. Realistically, you don't have to do it all the time. You don't have to run any ads. You don't have to do a bunch of different stuff. It's super simple. Record an honest video, edit it on some free editing software, and then post it up on YouTube. Super simple, still very, very effective in 2019 and going into 2020. All right, guys, if you guys are interested in that multiple income stream video that I did make a few weeks ago, you're gonna wanna watch it right here on the screen, and I will see you guys in that next video.